An Ottawa County District Judge has had a change of heart regarding the punishment for underage drinkers. Last December, 24-Hour News 8 told you about Judge Kenneth Post, and offenders who ended up in front of him wound up with a permanent criminal record. 24-Hour News 8's Ann Schieber joins us now with why that's changing.
Well, Brian, as of this week, Judge Post, whose jurisdiction includes GVSU, will offer minors a chance of wiping their records clean for a first offense. But they still have to go through some hoops. Judge Post did not return calls for an interview, but the Ottawa County Prosecutor's office confirmed that the judge did indeed announce a so-called diversion program for minors in possession starting this week.
And I will not give you the diversion program.
Last year, we showed you how Judge Post refused to give offenders a break for their first drinking offense. These students, mostly busted during raids at GVSU, ended up pleading guilty, paying several $100s in fines and hoping their criminal record would not come back to haunt them. Underage drinking is a misdemeanor, but attorneys think they are charges worth fighting.
I think it absolutely, without question, can affect you in the future, especially with the economy the way it is and with competition out there.
It's not clear what caused Judge Post to rethink diversion programs. He told us last year he tried them once and they didn't work. Offenders would end up back in court. Offenders who didn't get this chance at diversion are now mad that they didn't get the chance.
I feel like it's a bunch of crap. I mean, if I understand that things should change and for the best, but, you know, in my personal opinion, I don't think it's fair to myself, you know.
Now you got a record.
Yeah, now I definitely have a record.
Offenders will still have to go through hoops, and already defense attorneys are waiting. The new program requires parental approval.
Some of these kids are adults, they're 18, living on their own, supporting themselves, and I just don't know that that's a proper requirement.
Offenders have to perform 16 hours of community service first.
To require that up front in such a short amount of period of time, I think is going to be troublesome for these kids.
Probation will last 2 years, not 6 months, like many districts. And offenders waive their right to a probationary hearing in case they get in trouble again.
Who knows what a kid could be charged with or if they're charged wrongly.
On another level, some lawmakers are trying to make a first offense underage drinking charge a civil infraction instead of a misdemeanor that would not carry a criminal record.